Lake Hendry today. Got about an hour and a half. See if we can get on some bass. Pulling hard. I ain't saying it's big. It was a good one. Dang, it was bigger than a damn pound. Seen shad jumping out here. I could see them. Oh, that bass all in them right there. I seen that shad on top of the water flickering. I got this rattle trap on. I've been throwing. There he is, right there. Sweet. Too fun right there. I ain't done this since we was in Ocala. Pretty little bass. Slimy joker.
Oh, I just had a big one. There he is.
Got him? Oh yeah, get him in, Brantley. Ha, that's fun right there.
I had one. It's hard.
Hey, what you just say? It ain't gonna hit nothing. That's 3 back to back. 3 back to back. About every cast.
Usually can't get them to bite out here.
I don't know where they went though. Oh, right here. Right here, Bradley. I just seen the mouth of one.
Oh, that's a big one.
Isn't that?
Get the net, yeah, get the net. Oh my god. I saw it actually, but he just fought him about 4 times.
3. Oh, there he is. That feels like a good one. He's blowing like a son of a gun.
Can we get the net?
Might as well. Dude, they fight so freaking hard out here. I love it.
Oh, you got 2?
I got 2. No wonder they were fighting hard. 2 of them.
That's the second time you've done that. On the,
I done that at
rattle
Jimmy's,
trap.
didn't I?
On the rattle
Man, this is cool. I'm glad we got up and come on out here.
trap. You bet I wasn't hunting the town.
I know it.
Better get like a 6 on this back. Yep, there's one.
You got it? Yeah, they're a little farther up, aren't they? Small one. Yep. That lure right there has caught some fish. Between Reedy and Hendry.
4, 5, 7, 8, 9.
9.1.
9.1. 9 was an understatement.
Felt like a good one, but I always say that. Jumping right out there again. I say jumping, they're hitting, they're chasing bait. Well, I guess you ain't got to take us around there. We're floating that way. See, I told you. Yeah, buddy. They got that little thing shouldn't fight that hard. That's ridiculous.
I'm gonna get the big one.
That little fella. Batter up. Lucas and Jamie.
You don't want to get yourself something like that? One of them Maverick X3?
I just need a tire for a Kawasaki instead of Maverick 3.
X3.
X3.
Ooh, I had a big one hit it. Actually, I might have hit bottom. Felt like a bite though.
Well, I tell you, that camera just come on out of nowhere. I said, I botched one tire. Sure enough, Brantley got 2 poles out. He hit that thing like a daggone ton of doggone bricks.
Like a snook.
Like a snook. Whoa on up, whoa on up. Whoa the hell on up. Pulling, son of a gun. What good with you, dude? Come see Mr. Blake. Old Daddy Blake here in the house. That is a pretty good one compared to them other ones. Alright. About a pound. Feel like a pound to me. There he is, Brantley. 17 pounder, 100%. Good God, right on the grass line I was telling you about. It is, it gets shallow and there's grass on it. I'll be knowing. It just took me a second. Look how light colored he is. What the heck's in his mouth? Come dig this out.
Reaching my hand in his mouth.
What is that, a lure? Is it a leech or what?
Something. I don't know, it's weird.
I don't know what that is. It's white. What'd it feel like? It's like a little...
Parasite.
Oh, it just slung out of its mouth. Blech.
Oh, that's a good one.
I was just staring at you, listening to you when you hooked into that joker. Way out there in the deep, huh? That's fun right there.